Komishona w'ebuhome Apora Kankunda owajukira mukuru w'ebuhome mu Uganda yahumuriza beka konka yasima mburumu akishura ko riri hanga no mutuma gumwe akishura kitwa n'abatayibe bana bwa nyuma y'ubutikerezana kubarukaho ahachome cyacuboga.
Every occupation has what we call hazards. I know many people you have read the news, media, some are passing braves, but every occupation has hazards. Our comrade died in the line of duty through gun shots.
Ariko kuva arubona ufite inzira hari inzira yo guca Masindi guca Karuma yo guca Honyima baya Kiboga ariko yonke buri munsi guca Kiboga kugira ngo mwakureho ariko nageze Kiboga mutereye isimu arangira ati no ati munsi ndi intakurita mu koti ya high court judge ntabwo tubibona ni ngo tugeraje hamwe abigisoro banyakure. So that's how I listed things in the for the last time.
Omukazi wejo yakishuri n'abanyabuzarebe bagamba hamugenzi nko muntu murungi kandi obire nakunda abantu.
I wish the phone calls down.
Okuzika kwa hikaho n'omukazi omuzusha rwo mu ishengero abwa district ya Kisoro Grace Akifeza.
Hardworking person, respects everyone, fitted in every age, a happy person, and was rising very fast in his profession.
Ekanisa ya Jumere bahagaro ebiyongiro mu Uganda.
But sooner or later you hear them, you see the person coming back. You just see the prisoner coming back. Coming back to the community. Coming back to the church. And it's a threat to human life. And everybody is aware. That's why mob justice is at its rise.
Akishuri yafera ha myaka 3 kandi yasiga umukazi umwe n'abana 3. Gasha kwa Keta tuzarirwe.